All right, today's video, I got a surprise for you guys. We've got another car that is showing up right now. I can hear the guy with the trailer pulling up. You guys aren't gonna wanna miss this. It's gonna be a new project that we're gonna have on the channel. Jesus. Look at that. Hammer on the lock. Oh, he's denting the shit out of the trailer. All right, there she is. A little loose. All right, boys, this is what just arrived. I don't know if you guys can guess what's under the hood, but she is here. This is one bad unit, boys. She definitely needs a little love, but the ingredients are pretty dang good. All right, guys, so here she is. So goal is with this thing is she is DOA. This thing has a lot of work done to it, but at the moment, nothing works. A lot of work, but nothing works. So don't mind the handprints and whatnot. She needs a good bath for sure. But it's missing some interior because we got to figure out the wiring and stuff and get this thing sorted out. So theme of this thing, it's got some sort of Hellcat / demon logo thing. I don't know what you guys think about that, but it's got demon wheels on it, wilwood brakes, and just threw the trickle charger on it. It's got 2015 and up Challenger taillights on it, which I think is pretty dang cool. And even though it looks black, it is actually like this greenish color. But it's got demon seats as well, Challenger interior. But right now, nothing happens. You can try turning it on, nothing. We got the keys here, but no action. So that is the goal, is to get this thing running for my buddy. And then we'll keep going here. So I really don't have a whole lot of information on this car, you guys, other than it doesn't work. My buddy needs me to get it working. So it's gonna be another challenge for us on this channel. So getting it running, figuring out what's going on, and getting all the electrical work sorted out. And then once we get that sorted out, making sure the car actually works for my buddy. So comment down below what you guys think of this thing. I think this car looks absolutely badass, and now we need to get this thing running because this thing will be an absolute beast. But let me know what you guys think down below. Are you guys excited about this project? Got a bunch of other stuff on the go. We got the SST up on the lift over here, getting a Hemi. We also got the Hellcat swapped Ram, which I'm doing a bunch of stuff as well. We're gonna get a bunch more things done to that this week. So ton of stuff on the channel. There's something for everybody. Which one's your favorite? We'll see you guys on the next video.